when you wanna know what's on the trail. Where do you go? And what will they say? CQ review. CQ review. CQ review. CQ review. Welcome to Canadian Quadders Review. It has been an exceptionally long time since I've made a video, and I truly apologize. But I'm going to make 3 reviews here on my own products and tell you how my experiences have been with them. And hopefully later on today I'm going to hit the town and go check out some dealerships and hopefully make some arrangements with them so I can start doing videos for them in the near future. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for those that continue to subscribe. It totally means a lot. And as my videos have always said, hit like and subscribe and I will do the same favor for you as well. So without further ado, today we are going to check out my 2004 Yamaha 4-stroke 15 horsepower short shaft outboard motor. So I bought this motor used about 3 years ago now. This will be the 3rd summer that I use it. It starts up every time. The horsepower is awesome. I use it on a 12-foot aluminum springbok, and my wife and I and the dog, we have fun on that boat. It brings us up to plane very quickly, especially with the added fin that I have at the bottom there, the hydrofoil. It's super easy on fuel. That's what I loved the 4-stroke for. It's so much quieter. It is a much heavier engine though. You must have your Wheaties in the morning if you'd like to put this on your boat or take it off. But the maintenance is super easy. I'll show you inside in a second. Little tiny oil filter and just 1 liter of 1030 or 1040 oil. And of course your leg oil as well, but that's pretty much all it needs. And it's been a fantastic working motor for us. I picked it up at Checkpoint Yamaha in Abbotsford, BC, Canada. You can go talk to Ed over there. I don't think he'll remember me. I don't have a rapport with them as I do with other power sports shops, but definitely some good guys to deal with, and very happy with my purchase. For this next little bit, I'm going to do this freehand. So this thing was in really nice shape when I bought it from the dealership. Whoever had it before me kept it in really nice shape. So simple. Check your oil. Simple carburetor, not even an air filter to worry about. You fill up your oil here. And at the bottom, right there, is where you drain your oil. And like I said earlier, it only takes like a liter. So it's not like it costs you a whole lot for oil. There's your little baby oil filter. And it even has the spot to mount your electric starter if I wanted to go that route, which is, I thought, pretty cool. So yeah, it's a dual cylinder. See if I can zoom in a bit. And your typical pull start, and you have your choke button down here. But like I said, I'm very happy with this unit. It goes forever on a tank of fuel. I live close to Okanagan Lake, which is a huge lake up here. It's, I think, 79 kilometers long. It's almost like an ocean, really. and this thing has no issues with it. Doesn't matter if the wind picks up or not. We're safe with this thing, and it hauls ass. Actually, it's quite nice. It's the highest rating that my boat will have, so that's why I went for that. And very, very happy with this engine. I would highly, highly recommend Yamaha products. They just seem to last. They're built well, reliable, parts are available, dealerships all over the place. You just can't go wrong. I'm sure there's other great manufacturers out there, Honda and Mercury and all those, but I've always been a Yamaha fan, and this definitely has not let me down. So unfortunately, this is going to be a bit of a short review today, but thank you again for spending the time with me and coming to check this out. I so appreciate all of your guys' support. Remember to hit like and subscribe, and I will do the same favor for you. And next week, we're going to be talking about this beast, a 2012 Yamaha Grizzly 700. Power steering, fuel injection, camo, something that I bought used this past June. We're now in March of 2020. I've put about 500 kilometers on it now, and again, I'm in love with this Yamaha product. It's probably the best quad I've ever owned. So tune in next week, and we're going to be talking about Yamaha Grizzly. Thanks for watching, guys.